What's up, guys? So today is Monday, May 25th. The previous week has ended. I want to show you the results that the ZennBot have made for the previous week. As I mentioned in my previous video, that week ZennBot made one trade. I want to show it to you right now. This won't be a very long video, it's just basically me showing you a single trade, but I thought it's just important you guys would want to note this, so I might as well just show you. So let's jump onto my computer. So this is the MetaTrader 5 dashboard. So as you can see, the period of time that I've taken was the previous week, which was May 18th, Monday, up to the Sunday, May 24th. So as I've mentioned in my previous video, I've made a one bad trade, which was this. Please don't mind that. That was just me being kind of a stupid. I guess I took the controlled risk there and just went back on me. But what we are looking right now in this video is just basically this entry right here. So as you can see, the ZennBot for the previous week have made 47 almost bucks. This trade started at 3:35 a.m. and only lasted what? 2 seconds. 3:35.02. It has ended, so in 2 seconds it had made what? Change of 0.003%. Now this is the dashboard again. The trade that I've made myself is basically doing the old red stuff right here. It wasn't made by the ZennBot, so don't worry about that. What we are looking at is this trade on Monday, May 18th. So at this point I had my multiplier at 1.5x, I think. I think it was actually 2.5x. But for the upcoming week I plan to keep it at 4x. I don't know, just to see how it goes. So I'm gonna click save. And that's basically it. The ZennBot have made one profitable trade and I cannot go ahead and cry about it. Now guys, regardless of the decision that I am making with my manual trades, I mean sure, this one was a bad trade, but I don't know, I saw a dip and I bought that, and then I've trailed it and it exited at the profits. Then I've re-entered and it went back on me, so I don't know, just happens. And regardless what I've talked about in the previous video about this certain catastrophe that has happened in the month of February 2026, overall the ZennBot is constantly making a pretty good trades actually, and I cannot be mad about it. I will link that video down in the pinned comment or a video description, make sure to watch it. I will try to connect the MetaTrader to the main grid for the upcoming video, I guess, and I will try to have a look on how the ZennBot were performing for overall year 2026 with its multiplier in constant, because remember, I keep always changing my multipliers to lower to higher. Like for instance, in the last week I had what? 2.5x. right now I have 4x, so I don't keep that constant, but the main grid, the demo account that the ZennBot has to offer, is basically from the start, and it's just keeping the multiplier constantly at 1.5x. So if I were to log in there, I could get an answer whether the ZennBot is actually profitable on the constant settings. And I will of course try next week to connect some other products of the ZennBot. I want to try the ZennBot Echo and ZennBot Force, so there is so much work to do, so make sure you watch that. I really hope you've enjoyed this video. I really hope if you are using the ZennBot you've also had a profitable trade. I will see you in the next one. Bye.